Not quite fair.
New hire? New hire? Is there any need?
New hire.
Is there any need?
Fogwatch King.
Fuck what? Where's my alcoholic beverage?
Let's get wankered. Let's get.
Thank you very much.
I've got some vodka.
Have you noticed, Dave? I'm not being posh.
I've got vodka.
Where is he? He's got
Hello to my little chihuahua. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. This is part of my cruise ship crew life series, 1996 edition, where I found some old footage of when I used to work on the cruise ship. I call this episode Keith's Going Away Party. Now, if you're interested in these types of videos, at the end of this video, at the end screen, I'll have a playlist for my cruise ship crew life 1996 series. So make sure you check out the playlist. And what's that, Mookie? Mookie says we should make a drink before we get in our time machine and go back to 1996. So I agree. I think a drink would be in order. Mookie's gonna belly up to the bar. This drink's called a Texas tea. It's a lot like is pretty much the same as a Long Island iced tea, except there's a splash of OJ in it. So we're just gonna build this over crushed ice in my nice tiki mug here. And the measurements are quite simple. It's all 3/4 ounces. So we'll start off with 3/4 ounces of tequila, 3/4 ounces of gin, and 3/4 ounces of vodka, and 3/4 ounces of triple sec, and 3/4 ounces of white rum. And then 1 1/2 ounces of sweet and sour mix, and a splash of OJ, which pretty much differentiates it from the Long Island iced tea. And then we're just gonna finish it off with your favorite cola. And that, my friends, is a Texas tea. All right, get ready, Mookie. We're going to 1996, so check it out.
You're not quite fair.
New hire? New hire? Is there any need?
New hire.
Is there any need?
Fogwatch King.
Fuck what? Where's my alcoholic beverage?
Let's get wankered. Let's get.
Thank you very much.
I've got some vodka.
Have you noticed, Dave? I'm not being posh.
I've got vodka.
Where is he? He's
and
got
I've got Jim Beam, and I've got.
Hey, you're all wet, and you need.
Oh,
Ooh, you're all wet.
I've got tequila. Shall we do some slammers?
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes. Let's do tequila.
I have got to give away freebies. Roll up, vodka, Jim Beam, and tequila.
Are you hiding behind the door, really? Do you know what? You're in my cabin now.
No. Not yet.
Not yet. It isn't.
Tomorrow. It's my cabin.
No need to brag.
Every need. Where's Peter gone?
He's curled up in a ball on the floor.
Oh dear, look, it's Peter's bottom. Hello, Peter's
Keith's
bottom.
bottom.
Oh no, it's Keith's bottom.
Peter's in the bathroom. He's locked himself in. He's curled up in a ball on the floor. We're all going to get him, so locked himself. Oh dear.
Was it really 2:06 or was it later?
That's much later than that.
Open the door. Keith.
Well, Keith is now handcuffed to a chair. Oops.
Open the door, mate.
Any need to be handcuffed to a chair?
He's trying to get Peter out the bathroom.
I've got a fucking
and he's
chair
handcuffed to the
handcuffed
chair.
to my foot. Peter.
Can you please come out of the bathroom? Because you're going to really upset Keith if you don't. He really does want you to come out of the bathroom.
He's poking him with his...
Peter, I can see you.
Ooh, what's your red light?
Fear, up and dark.
I can hear you laughing.
I've got a chair handcuffed to my leg. And it fucking hurts.
Oh, Peter, open the door.
Ow. Fear! I can see your bullets from here. Oh,
Please open the door.
please,
Dave's gone to bed.
please.
Sorry, is this your cabin?
Tony's wet through as well.
Letter to Leon and
Keith's just poured beer all over Tony.
Sorry, is there any need for
Sorry,
the
have you
room
got a
steward
cigarette
to
lighter?
have thrown away my bottle of beer named Leon?
no.
He has.
Peter,
He wants sake.
Peter, Pete, my mate. I'll make you a deal.
You don't look in a position to be
You
making
open door.
deals.
First pass me a cigarette lighter.
All right. Give me a cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Wait a
because you
minute.
might burn something.
No, it won't.
No, it won't.
Here you go, Pete.
Keith,
Keith!
you can burn the ship down. And we're dreaming about a ship sinking.
Right.
Keith,
What?
is Lee sticking out underneath?
Open door, Pete.
Red end sticking out.
Pete. Pete. Give us a drag.
Stick that out.
I'm just going to go to bed wet.
It's sticking his out.
Pete, open door. I'm not
It's
going
going
to
to
see
be
you
driving
again.
time you get to sleep.
Peter. Peter.
Peter,
Oi.
please open the door.
He's sharing a cigarette underneath the toilet door. I've seen it all
I'm not
now.
gonna see you again.
I've really seen
Open
it
door,
all
let's
now.
have a look.
Mandy, tell me, sweetie, are you going to get this drunken wanker?
I have got.
What are you doing?
Just trying to get out of it.
You won't get out of
Well,
it.
go and get the key from there.
Houdini.
Is it hurting?
Because your ankle smells like freezing.
I'm not surprised you've had beer poured all over you. Get out!
Keith is now being released.
Look what he's done to me.
What's it done, sweetie?
He's laughing in there.
Dave, if you ever see this video, I
He's
hope,
laughing in there.
I hope all these children are born still.
That's not very nice.
Yeah. I can't say.
Yeah, you mean stillborn.
Look, what you done.
Did you do you?
I hope if you ever have babies, the mongrels. Look what you've done to me.
That's what he did to Foz. Remember that? Foz when he
Yeah, well, he was handcuffed to a kettle.
passed the
Yeah.
silver kettle to
Right.
him.
Now we've got him unchained to take him home.
Keith, are you coming home? I've washed my pants. Now I'm going to
Keith,
go
leave
wash
that
my
alone.
blouse.
Come on,
I've got no
please,
clothes
take
to
him
go
home.
home in tomorrow because they wet me through.
Come on, babe, go home.
I have to help him up. He's going there.
You're all wet.
Give me a rash.
Ship life.
He's horrible and all wet.
Another Friday night bites the dust on Dolphin deck.
Life on the ship bites the dust. Life on the ocean is over.
Mandy!
Whoa,
You're with wife. Peter's having a shower now. I can't believe it. He's having a shower. Just having a shower.
He slept on the bathroom floor. He's
Now
been
he's
to
in
the toilet.
the
Now
loo.
he's having a shower.
Now he's having a shower.
Is he crapped on your toilet, Tori?
Yes.
Is there any need for that?
Bean, conquer, shit, shower.
Better than bubble rifling through everyone's drawers.
Well, that's true, yeah.
Are you,
You get the other hand.
Come on.
you trying to get rid of me?
Yes. Most definitely.
Hey, Rachel,
What?
you're a top fella.
No.
Am I really?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
He's not. He's
Wait a
gone back
minute.
in again. He popped his
Oh,
nose
dear.
out. He's gone back in again.
Has he made enough parents?
Yeah, but you... Forget it.
Yeah, you wanted to show you. You want.
Where's my lighter, sweetie? Have you chawed it?
Eh?
My lighter.
What right?
My lighter.
Sorry,
Keith,
sorry.
Keith.
Have you got? Have you got it?
Lost it?
That's what. That's what I'm going to ask you.
There you go, my mind.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
I need a light.
No.
Has Peter got a lighter in there?
I've got hard on
No.
and my
He's got
fucking
one in his hand.
my wrist has gone.
Hey, trick it.
That's a big
Yes.
Any need for that not to have recorded?
What?
All that.
Big, juicy,
What?
steamy, low with touch. Bag of yes. How do we say it? How do we say
Your
it?
arm's aching, hurry up.
How do we say it?
Bag.
Keith,
No.
stop.
In English, it's a bag of shite, and in Slovakian, it's
Peter Hovna.
Peter Hovna.
Peter Hovna.
And I lick my bell end in Slovakian.
Gole bastardo coglione minchie.
Oblige me salut.
What I've been saying to many Norwegian passengers tonight is
Vyjebaná stará tučná kurva.
kurva,
Curva.
kurva.
Curva.
Lick my bell end, you old slapper.
Oh,
Vyliž mi karty, stará kurva.
Victor Starve kurva. Because we can.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Cruise Ship Crew Life 1996 edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.